Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a tutorial with makeup tutorial. My name is Maricela. I'm the content creator for Simply Little Glam. I'm gonna go ahead and present my niece. Her name is Stephanie. Say hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
So she's gonna go ahead and do my makeup today. So we'll see how it comes out. Before we start, I just wanted to go ahead and let you know, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what are we gonna do first, Stephanie?
This one.
Okay, you are the boss, honey. Do your own stuff.
I guess.
Ow!
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Like this one.
Whatever you want to do. You gotta turn around so people can see you, baby.
Hello.
You have to turn around.
This?
Yeah. Okay, just be careful. You just put it right here, okay? And then what do you do? You got it? Alright, I'll help you because I know it's very hard. Okay.
I'm trying to make sure it doesn't bite because I don't want it to mess.
Okay. I'll close this for you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so what we're gonna do?
I'll lower your face.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then one right there.
Mm-hmm.
And right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. And right here.
And then what are you gonna do?
And then I'm gonna spread it out.
Uh-huh.
Wait, I need some match.
It's not matching.
Wait. There.
Okay. You know you could walk. You could get up too if you're not able to get the other side.
Wait. Let's try some of it. I think it kind of bad at this way.
You're good.
We're kind of connecting it. So yeah, I want to make it look pretty.
Okay. You know what you're doing?
I think.
Just pretend that you're drawing or you're coloring a book.
I'm really nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I'm really nervous, guys, if y'all know that. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Let's see.
No, I gotta get you.
Oh, this one.
Let me get you blood. Okay, so what's next? Look, we'll just leave this one here.
Okay.
Now what do you want to put now?
I want to put this one.
You want to put me some highlighter?
I'm going to try Duty.
Okay, here's the brush with highlighter. Okay. You're gonna make me sparkly? Okay, what's next, baby?
This?
No.
Oh no, I can't wait for this one. Where's the thing?
There's it right here. Whichever one you want to choose.
I'm choosing.
The unicorn? Okay. You like the unicorn?
Yeah, I like because it has
Okay, girl, you know your stuff.
okay.
You got this. Come on. Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, is that showing?
It's not showing?
Wait.
Okay.
Ooh, it's showing. Ooh, that's
It looks good.
I like it.
I look beautiful?
You look cute.
Thank you.
I like it. Yeah.
No? Cute. Okay. What about the eyes?
Eyes? This one?
You want to curl my eyelashes or do you want to do my eyeshadow? Eyeshadow? We're going to go ahead and get this brush that's Morphe for the eyeshadows. And this palette of the Too Faced Peach. Okay. What color is that?
It's purple. I want to make the lip black. No, the black. Because I know it doesn't show the purple, so I just want to make it a little black. And
Alright. So what colors are you putting on me?
I'm gonna put on this
Which one? The Summer Yum?
this one, because I think it might look pretty, guys. This one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's this one. So I guess I should do one of them. And this one. Okay. Put it a little bit there.
Okay.
Put some on my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
You got it?
Some, let me see. Some. Just a little bit. This, just a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I like it.
Do you want to put lipstick or do you want to wait or? Lipstick? Okay. We'll go ahead and do this one. You like that one?
I think careful because I think. Ooh, it has those stars.
It has
Look,
the stars.
look, guys, it has those stars. I like stars.
Okay, let's just make it small. You got this.
I want to use this.
All right. Uh-huh. Mhm. Smells good. Smells good? Okay, so we are done with the makeup, so hopefully it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the mirror and see myself. Okay, girl, made me look like a rock star. All right, well, thank you so much for doing my makeup.
You're welcome.
All right, so hey guys, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put it on down below the description, and then just let her know how she did a really good job with my makeup. So please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.